Hey everybody, Felcher Rash. Welcome back to 365 Days of Irish Tenor Banjo Tunes. Today we are on day 175. Trying a bit of a different setup tonight for the camera, or for my phone. I usually use the back camera, the camera that faces when you're looking at the screen. But I'm trying the other camera this time. It's got a better quality camera on that side. It's harder to set up the shot because I can't see, but curious to see how it works out, so maybe leave a comment if you notice it's any better than the other version. If this is your first time joining me, what this is a New Year's resolution I came up with. I'm a beginner at banjo and I wanted to get better, and I was finding I just wasn't committed to it, and I wasn't playing enough. So what I did is I came up with this New Year's resolution to play a new tune every day out of this book, Banjo Buddy's big book of 365 Irish tunes, and I record them and put them up on YouTube, try and keep myself accountable. So far we've gotten a reasonable number of subscribers, which I find kind of funny. I put them up there mostly for myself, but some people are finding them useful because I play fairly slow, especially the first part. So if you're also learning, I give the odd bit of a tip or tutorial. I don't like to call them tutorials because I really am a beginner and probably shouldn't be teaching people things, but I give the odd little bit of a tip because I think when you're a beginner, you notice things that are like aha moments, right? Or that are really helpful to you as a beginner. And I think what happens for a lot of people when they've been playing for so many years and then they go to teach, they forget how difficult it was as a beginner and how such small little changes can really make a huge difference. Or else there's just a lot of people on YouTube too that just play tunes and they play them super fast and they're hard to follow. So if you find this enjoyable, please subscribe, follow, whatever they call that. It'd be cool to have some more people interacting with the channel. Leave a comment. I do read them all and I like to comment back if it makes sense. So today we're going to be playing a jig. It's an A Dorian. It's called the Mist-Covered Mountain. It's been a busy weekend and I wanted to do something that was not too difficult but still sort of fun. So first time through we'll play it really nice and slow so you can play along, and then what I like to do is do some practice and then I come back and try and do more of a moderate paced version. I really don't even get up to session speed or slow session speed or anything like that. Like I said, I'm a beginner, but playing this every day has definitely helped some. So here we go, Mist-Covered Mountain. Okay, so this is also a really good tune since we're practicing, or I like to call it practice, whatever. I'm practicing getting to your high B, and the reason I like this one is because there's a quarter note on your A. So the way I sort of learned, which was from a book and the internet, nobody around here teaches this, is that this finger, your index finger, is for 1 and 2. That one's for 3 and 4, that's for 5 and 6, and this should be for 7 and 8, your pinky. In practice, I notice a lot of people shift positions and they'll bring this finger down here because it's stronger, right? And especially if a lot of things are moving up here after that, that makes sense. But for just when you've got one note or a few or whatever. I kind of like to use the pinky, and I think it's a good thing to strengthen your pinky. So you could just sit here going, you know, and try and get a good one, so it's not, you know, it's like not like that, but you want a nice ring on it. So to get there, the tip I always give is, like, normally I find a lot of times you end up with your thumb kind of up here, right? Because you're playing up in this area. What happens then if you want to stretch your pinky, it's pretty much impossible, because now you're wanting to stretch from here to there. Bring your thumb down to here, you can still play all of these ones, but now when I want to go stretch my pinky, it's easy. Or I can even just for temporarily bring that one down there and there. And that's why this one's a good one to practice, because I get a whole quarter note to get my pinky in position, and right, and it goes right back to the A, so it makes it simple. Anyways, I'm gonna do some practice and try and speed that one up for you. Not bad. Just a little bit of high B, but I think, you know, it's been a long day, and that might be it for the night, and we'll see you all tomorrow. So long.